हेलो नमस्ते, मैं हूं डॉक्टर सौरभ एंड वेलकम टू साइंशिया ब्रेनरी। सो इन टुडेज लेक्चर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द important articles or the topics related to science and tech and environment which were in news during the last week of this month, that is March 2021, and which may be helpful for your various competitive exams. So we will discuss in brief about these important articles related to the science and tech and environment. So first article is about the birth of Big Bang. You all know about the Big Bang theory. हम सभी Big Bang theory के बारे में जानते हैं, ठीक है? That theory which is we can say that which is the leading, which provides the leading explanation about the how the our universe began, about the origin of the universe. Means Big Bang theory which tells about the origin of the universe, and that is the most we can say that accepted and leading, which provide the leading explanation about the origin of the universe. So context क्या है कि context ये है कि on the March 28th, ठीक है, in this during this month on the 28th of March in 1949, the term Big Bang, it was first time used by the English astronomer Fred Hoyle. Okay, he was also the fellow of Royal Society London. Okay, and he first time used the term Big Bang in 1949, although he himself was against his own theory, means about the Big Bang theory, but he first time used the term Big Bang, and we can say that it still persists, the name still persists. Okay, so Big Bang theory is according to this theory, if in brief I tell you that all of you already know about this theory, but in brief if I tell you that Big Bang theory, this theory tells us that how our universe began. Okay, so it's according to this, the universe actually it began with a single singularity, with a small singularity, means this single point then expanded, it stretched and inflated over the next 13.7 billion years to grow as a large as we know it right now. Okay, so according to this theory, that universe it expanded from a single, we can say, small atom. Okay, and then for the last 13.7 billion years it expanded to the size as we see now. Okay, so this was about the Big Bang, and first time it was used in 28th of March 1949 by the English astronomer Fred Hoyle. Okay, so next article is about the African elephants. So recently it has been found that IUCN, they have released their red list, and the African elephants, they are now facing the risk of extinction actually. Okay, so you can see that following the population decline, okay, population decline of the African elephants. So mainly particularly due to two reasons, we can say that one is poaching, means poaching for ivory. Poaching means illegal hunting. Okay, for the berries purposes, for especially their teeth and tusk. Okay, and the loss of their natural habitat. So their population is continuously declining, and it has brought the African forest elephant in the critically endangered category and the African savanna elephant in the endangered category as per the IUCN red list of the threatened species. Okay, so you can see that with this we can say that this is a wake-up call for the conservation of the African elephants. Okay, or savanna elephant species. Okay, so according to the IUCN list, International Union for Conservation of Nature, so they have provided the data, and they have found that the population of the African savanna elephant, it was found in a variety of habitats, and it has decreased by at least 60% over the last 50 years. जो अफ्रीकन सवाना एलिफेंट है उनका पॉपुलेशन जो 60% तक डिक्रीज हो गया है इन द लास्ट 50 ईयर्स में. और ऑन द अदर हैंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट forest elephant, so their population it has fallen by the 86% over the last 31 years. So in combination, if we can say that about 4,15,000 elephants, African elephants have been left. Okay, so if we see that IUCN red list, okay, International Union for Conservation of Nature, actually recently they have included 1,34,425 species in the IUCN red list, and of these species, among these 37,480 are they are threatened with the extinction. Okay, so what is this IUCN red list? The International Union for Conservation of Nature, it was established in 1964. The International Union for Conservation of Nature's red list of threatened species, and we can say that it provides the comprehensive information about the global conservation status of animal, fungi and other plant species. Okay, so we can say that this IUCN जो red list है, that is a critical indicator of the health of the world's biodiversity. और इस IUCN जो रेड लिस्ट है इसमें 9 डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज आती हैं, ठीक है, राइट फ्रॉम अगर आप शुरू हो जाएंगे तो नॉट इवेल्युएटेड से लेके critically endangered and extinct in the wild and extinct. Okay, so our next article is that farming in the space may be possible. Okay, actually what has happened, the researchers from the NASA and the University of the Hyderabad, India, okay, so they have found a bacterial strain at the International Space Station. Okay, so the researchers means we can say that during their 2 consecutive flights they found a bacterial strain at the International Space Station at the different locations, and they are hoping that it will create the fuel to help the plants and to withstand the stressful conditions at the space stations. Okay, so they have found the bacterial strains of the family Methylobacteriaceae, okay, at the different locations in the International Space Stations. Okay, so you can see that this article, this research paper, it has been published in the journal Frontiers in Microbiology. Actually, they have found the novel species of the bacterium, that is a Methylobacterium asmeli, okay, at the International Space Station. So one of the strain, it was identified as means we can say that which was earlier available, means that was identified as a Methylorubrum rhodesianum, and other 3 species, जो other 3 strains identify की गई इस bacterial strains की at the International Space Station, they were actually undiscovered. So we can say that they were the new strains. So based on the genetic analysis, it was found that की जो ये novel strains थी, they were actually closely related to Methylobacterium indicum. Okay, and the researchers, they named the novel bacterial strain as Methylobacterium asmeli. ठीक है, asmeli means in the honor of the renowned Indian biodiversity scientist Dr. Azmal Khan, who was formerly the professor at the Annamlai University. Okay, so this is the novel bacterial strain, and based on the genome analysis of this novel bacterial strain, the scientists, they have found that this bacterial strain, it also contains the genes which are helpful for promoting the growth and development of the plants. So we can say that there is, if those bacterial strains are present at the space station, so definitely there is a scope for, we can say that, the space farming. Okay, so further the scientists have commented that the strains, they might possess biotechnologically useful genetic determinants that may help growing the plants in the extreme places, or we can say that in the stressful conditions of the International Space Stations. Okay, so in this context, we can say that there is a scope for the space farming or growing the plants in the space. So in this context, I already have prepared a dedicated video, uploaded a dedicated video on this lecture that about the space farming or growing the plants in the space, and I have provided here the link, and you can go to my channel also, and here you can see in detail I have provided the scope and what are the important plants they have already been established in the space stations. Okay, means to provide the healthy, fresh, nutritious foods to the astronauts. So this is the article of title of my video, which has already been uploaded in my channel. You can see there that cosmic salads from the gardens of galaxy, futuristic farming or growing of the plants at the space station. This is the link, and you can go to our channel Scientia Brainry, where you can find in detail about this lecture in detail. Okay, so next article is about the marijuana. So what has happened, actually, the New York lawmakers, they have legalized the recreational marijuana, use of recreational marijuana. Okay, marijuana, you all know that. What is marijuana? That is cannabis. Okay, there are different species of cannabis indica, okay, like that. So we can say that जो marijuana है, that is the actually most commonly used mind altering drug in US after the alcohol. Okay, and it has various uses, medicinal uses हैं इसके, and it is also used for the recreational use. Recreational means just for the, you can say that, for the enjoyment. Okay, so what has happened, actually, the lawmakers in the जो New York में, they have legalized the use of recreational marijuana. Okay, so it is already legalized in other 14 different states of the US, and now the New York lawmakers, they have also legalized the use of recreational marijuana. Okay, so जो न्यूयॉर्क के गवर्नर हैं, ठीक है, डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नर है न्यूयॉर्क के, that is who is एंड्रियो Cuomo. Okay, so they have estimated that after the legalization of recreational marijuana, अगर वो इसको legalize कर देंगे न्यूयॉर्क में, तो they have estimated that means they will earn a worth of you can say about $350 million annually. Okay, by its sale. Okay, अगर वो legalize कर देते हैं, ठीक है. So which will bring a lot of money. We can say that huge worth amount of $350 million. Okay, annually. Okay, so अगर इसकी लीगलाइजेशन की बात करें तो they have said that they will form the laws, set the norms. Okay, and इसकी जो सेल है that will be means allowed to only the persons above 21 of age, means who has attained the age of 21. Okay, and they will provide the licensing, full licensing process for the delivery of these cannabis products to the customers. Okay, and they have also allowed the means individual New Yorkers, means the people that they can also grow up the actually 3 mature plants and the 3 immature plants for their personal consumptions. Okay, मतलब वो अपनी पर्सनल कंजप्शन के लिए भी 3 मैच्योर और 3 इमेच्योर प्लांट्स लगा सकते हैं, ग्रो कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, एंड आल्दो इसकी जो इसका फुल प्रोसेस है, मतलब फुल इसका जो सब सेल स्टार्ट होगा, आल्दो इट विल टेक फर्दर 18 months to 2 years फॉर इट्स सेल टू स्टार्ट एट द ग्राउंड लेवल. ओके, सो यू कैन सी दैट मैरिजुआना, हमें पता है कि इसमें जो मेन कंपाउंड होते हैं वो एक THC और एक है CBD. CBD मीन्स कैनाबिडोल एंड THC मीन्स tetrahydrocannabinol. Okay, so they have different medicinal benefits. अगर हम THC की बात करें तो it eases the pain, it helps in relaxation, it also suppress the pain. Okay, and nerve damage को भी कम रोकता है. ठीक है, and it also reduce the risk of nerve damages. Okay, and suppresses the muscle also. अगर हम CBD की बात करें, कैनाबिडोल की बात करें, तो इसके भी डिफरेंट मेडिसिनल बेनिफिट्स हैं एक्चुअली. तो इसमें देख सकते हैं आपकी, वन इज दैट इट रिड्यूसेस द मीजर ट्राइवेट सीजर. दूसरी बात है कि इट आल्सो किल्स द ब्रेस्ट कैंसर सेल को भी किल करता है CBD जो है. ठीक है, एंड इट आल्सो प्रिवेंट द इन्फ्लेमेशन, मीन्स इसकी जो है एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी प्रॉपर्टीज भी हैं इसके पास, एंड एंटीऑक्सीडेंट प्रॉपर्टीज हैं. ठीक है, सो नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल इज अबाउट द एक्वाटिक रोबोट. ठीक है, एक एक्वाटिक रोबोट जो है वो डेवलप किया गया है साइंटिस्ट के द्वारा टू सेव द पीपल फ्रॉम ड्रोनिंग. तो एक एस्टिमेट के दौरान, मीन्स अगर हम WHO का एक एस्टिमेट है, वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू WHO एस्टिमेट, सो ड्रोनिंग जो है दैट इज द थर्ड मेजर रीजन फॉर द एक्सीडेंटल इंजरी रिलेटेड डेथ ग्लोबली, एंड विच अकाउंट्स फॉर 7% ऑफ ऑल इंजरी रिलेटेड फैटलिटीज, जो ड्रोनिंग है. ठीक है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू WHO एस्टिमेट ड्यूरिंग द 2016 about 320,000 people they died globally due to drowning only. Okay, so in this context, जो scientists हैं at the Fraunhofer Institute for Optronics System Technologies and Image Exploitation, okay, they have developed a robot, means an aquatic robot, or you can say that autonomous underwater robot, to save the person from the drowning. Okay, so they have experimented in the swimming pool environment that जब स्विमिंग पूल एनवायरनमेंट में अगर कोई मान लो कोई पर्सन ड्राउन हो रहा है, डूब रहा है, ठीक है, सो क्या होगा कि वहां पे ये जो एक्वाटिक रोबोट है, इट विल रिसीव द लोकेशन ऑफ द ड्राउनिंग पर्सन फ्रॉम द सर्वेलेंस कैमरास विच आर फिक्स्ड इन नियर द पूल, एंड ये जो है एक्वाटिक रोबोट है, इट विल रिलीज फ्रॉम इट्स डॉकिंग स्टेशन एंड इट विल रीच टू द पर्सन लोकेशन एंड इट विल सेव इट फ्रॉम द ड्राउनिंग, मींस इट विल ब्रिंग द पर्सन टू द सरफेस. ओके, तो ये जो रोबोट है, एक्वाटिक रोबोट है, इट इज वेल इक्विप्ड विद द बैटरीज, मोटर, कैमरास, ऑप्टिकल सेंसर्स हैं. ओके, एंड अदर मैकेनिज्म्स टू सिक्योर ए ड्राउनिंग पर्सन बॉडी. ओके, मींस एक इसमें मैकेनिज्म है, इनबिल्ट मैकेनिज्म है कि दैट इट विल सेव द पर्सन फ्रॉम द ड्राउनिंग. ओके, सो जैसे ये अपनी डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुंच जाएगा, पर्सन की लोकेशन को मतलब आइडेंटिफाई करेगा और उसको वो सरफेस पे ले आएगा. ठीक है, तो ये भी देखा गया कि इट कैन आल्सो हेल्प द पीपल to save the people from drowning in the lakes also. But lakes में that there is maybe some problem because lakes are deep also. So but उस केस में क्या है, लेक्स के केस में कि they are equipped, these robots they are equipped with acoustic sensors instead of the optical ones, so that to overcome the restricted visibility. तो जैसे ही साउंड वेव्स की इको से जो इको होगी, ठीक है, तो that can be used to determine the people's location, मतलब जो उस पर्सन की लोकेशन जो कि ड्रोन कर रहा होगा, और प्रिसाइजली जैसे ही वो रोबोट को उसको लोकेशन फाइंड आउट होगी, तो इट विल रीच टू द पर्सन, ड्रोनिंग पर्सन लोकेशन, वहां पे पहुंच जाएगा एंड इट विल पिक देम अप. ओके, so next article is about the Boston Dynamics. They have developed a वेयरहाउस वर्कर रोबोट, ओके, जिसका कि उन्होंने नाम रखा है स्ट्रेच, ओके। सो यूएस रोबोटिक्स कंपनी है जो कि बोस्टन डायनेमिक्स, ऑन मंडे दे रिवील्ड दैट दे हैव डेवलप्ड ए न्यू रोबोट जिसका कि नाम उन्होंने रखा है स्ट्रेच। तो यू जस्ट रिमेंबर द नेम ऑफ द रोबोट स्ट्रेच, ओके। सो जो कि मेनली वेयरहाउस वर्किंग के लिए, मतलब वेयरहाउस में आपको पता है बहुत डिफरेंट अनलोडिंग लोडिंग का काम होता है, तो मूविंग बॉक्सेस स्पेशली जो मेन बॉक्स पर्पज है उसका बॉक्सेस को मूव करना, ठीक है। सो दे हैव डेवलप्ड ए रोबोट जिसका कि नाम रखा उन्होंने स्ट्रेच, ओके। सो दे हैव स्टेड दैट दिस मेनली डिफरेंट कंपनीज का डिमांड आ रहा था उनको कि definitely they should work on this aspect actually. So in this context they have developed this because warehouse में जो मेन काम है जो मूव करना है बॉक्सेस को, अनलोडिंग, ट्रक अनलोडिंग, एक्चुअली दैट इज द मेन काम है उसका, जिसके लिए बहुत सारा फिजिकल एफर्ट भी चाहिए होता है और एक अनप्लीजेंट जॉब्स है। सो इन दिस कंटेक्स्ट दे हैव डेवलप्ड दिस स्ट्रेच robot, okay. So according to them that this stretch robot it can move the boxes up to means 50 pounds, मतलब means 23 kg boxes, and इसकी जो स्पीड है, रेट है, means it can be reach up to 800 cases per hour, okay. So you can see that it's quite fast and a highly versatile robot. So next article is about the US bald eagle. तो you know that जो US का bald eagle है, that is the जो बाल्ड ईगल है ना, ठीक है, ये जो है यूएस का नेशनल सिंबल है। सो इट इज अ नेशनल सिंबल ऑफ यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स and it is in news because it has bounced back from the near extinction and the numbers have quadrupled in the country since 2009. So means near extinction होने की कगार पे था, but now it has bounced back to quite sufficient numbers, okay. जो यूएस का बाल्ड ईगल है, because this is the नेशनल सिंबल है यूएस का जो बाल्ड ईगल है, okay. So according to study की they were on the verge of extinction and during 1963 they were only 417 in numbers, ठीक है, but their population it has surged to a number of 71,400, okay. अगर आप देखें तो means 1963 में थे only 417 and now it has reached to the mark of 71,400, okay. So जो US according to US Fish and Wildlife Service, okay. So they have applauded the means the efforts, mainly the conservation efforts, जिसमें कि one of this is banning of the DDT pesticides and other is the other conservation efforts which has brought the increase in their number, bald eagle number, that is up to 71,400 right now, okay. So they have said that the recovery of the bald eagle is one of the most well-known conservation success stories of all the time, okay. So with this we can say that I would say in today's video I hope you might have learned many new things, and if you like the video please share, subscribe and like करें, और अगर आपको अच्छा लगा है you can also directly contact us in the mail ID, you can comment also. With this I would say thank you and stay happy, stay blessed and stay safe. Thank you.